Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk about 3 different things that you can focus on in the fall and winter time to get your pools ready for the next spring. And these are things that I focus on with all of my clients, all the people that I work for. I have a big long list and I have to go through them, and I pretty much are going to focus on these 3 things. Before I get started, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it when I post another video, and please check out all my other videos in case you haven't. Okay, so we're going to start with the first thing. There's 3 items that I go over in the fall and winter time to prepare for the next spring. And the first one is going to be the stabilizer level. So the stabilizer levels will rise during the spring and in the summertime, and you want to keep them in check. So you want to basically get it down to the 30 to 50 parts per million. I like to try to get all of my accounts down to around 30. Okay, and when it's above 50, just remember you're going to run into issues over time. So you want to keep that down low. So the first thing is doing a partial drain and fill to get it to the right levels. So whatever the level is going to depend on how much water you're going to drain down. The next day, after filling it up, you want to wait 24 hours, then you're going to retest it. So you want to get those to the correct levels. Okay, then we're going to talk about the second thing that I focus on, and that is going to be staining. So pool staining is a real common thing that will occur, and there's a lot of different reasons. There's metals, there's organic debris, and I like to work on pool stains during the fall and winter time. That's the best time. You can run into a lot of issues in the spring and summertime if you're trying to do that. So I work on the pool staining, and that's always second. The third thing is going to be the phosphates. You want to do it after taking care of the pool staining. You want to work on the phosphates, and you want to keep the phosphates at 0 parts per billion. And most people say, well, why do I need to do that third? The reasoning for that is that you may be increasing the phosphates with your stain remover. So you want to avoid that, and you want to go after the phosphates as soon as you're done with the pool staining and, obviously lowering the stabilizer levels down. So those are the 3 things that I focus on in the fall and the winter time. Those are the 3 main things. If you have any work that you want to have done to your pool decking or anything like that, it's just a perfect time. Nobody's using the pool for the most part, and you don't have any problems. So just wanted to let you know about that. And I appreciate all my subscribers and viewers, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.